Earlier today, the Supreme Court heard arguments on a decades-old law called the, quote, Indian Child Welfare Act. The law was designed to keep Native American children who were up for adoption within tribes when possible. That law is being challenged by a white evangelical Christian couple who allege that it discriminates against them on the basis of race. Lawrence Hurley covers the Supreme Court for us for NBC News Digital, and he joins us now. Lawrence, walk us through the case. What are the arguments on both sides?
Yeah, well, the challenges here are really kind of throwing everything they have at this law that's been on the books since 1978 and is kind of a landmark law that has kind of evaded judicial scrutiny up till now. And so among their arguments is an argument that the law somehow is a form of race discrimination, because it basically gives preferences to Native American families who are seeking to adopt Native American children. And the challengers say that's akin to a form of race discrimination. That's an argument that the tribes strenuously push back on, because they say tribal identity is not the same as race at all. That was a key feature during the arguments today. And also another argument is that maybe Congress didn't have the power to pass these laws in the first place, even though it does have a lot of power to regulate affairs to do with Native Americans. And that's an argument that the court also took on.
And sometimes you can tell a lot from the oral arguments. Lawrence, did you get any sense of which way the court might be leaning on this?
Yeah, well, as you know, the court has a 6-3 conservative majority that includes justices who are quite skeptical of what they see as racial preferences. And we've seen that in other cases that have come up. And so it did seem like there's maybe 5 out of the 6 who would maybe strike down a provision of this law, but maybe not the whole law, which tribes were very concerned about going in. And so it may be that they just strike down a provision that says that members of tribes who are from a different tribe to that of the child get a preference. And they may just get rid of that provision, but keep the rest.
And just quickly, the couples from Texas who's challenging the law, but the states of Indiana and Louisiana are somehow a part of this too. Why is that?
Well, these 3 states were all involved in this case when it first started out in the district court. It's actually 3 different cases that were combined together. And this ruling, whatever the court does, will have nationwide implications, because the court will issue a rule that will cover the whole country.
Lawrence Hurley, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.